How do I reset my Whirlpool refrigerator if it is not cooling?
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve into the important topic of resetting your Whirlpool refrigerator. When your fridge isn't cooling properly, it can be a real inconvenience. But don't worry, you might be able to fix the issue without calling a technician by following these simple steps.
Why is resetting your fridge necessary?
Your Whirlpool fridge is a complex device that can occasionally experience minor glitches. In many cases, these glitches, which can result in your refrigerator not cooling properly, can be resolved by performing a simple reset. This process is akin to restarting your computer. It allows your fridge to refresh its settings and can often resolve minor software issues.
How to reset your Whirlpool fridge?
Here's how you can reset your Whirlpool fridge. 1. Unplug your refrigerator. The first step is to unplug your refrigerator from the electrical outlet. This is an important safety step, so make sure your fridge is completely disconnected before proceeding. 2. Wait for a while. After you've unplugged your fridge, you should wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the fridge a chance to reset itself and could resolve any minor software issues. 3. Plug your refrigerator back in. Once you've waited the necessary amount of time, you can plug your fridge back in. Ideally, your fridge should now function as intended. Remember, this method works for many simple glitches. However, if the problem persists, it may indicate a more serious issue that requires professional help.
What to do if resetting doesn't work?
If your fridge is still not cooling properly after a reset, this might be a sign of a more serious issue such as problems with the cooling system, thermostat, or defrost sensor. In this case, you should consider contacting a professional technician or the Whirlpool customer service team for further assistance. Resetting your Whirlpool refrigerator is an easy and quick fix to minor cooling problems. But remember, more persistent issues may require professional assistance. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the steps to reset your Whirlpool fridge. Keep your food fresh and your drinks cold, and until next time, stay cool.